Hello, I am Susan Zam from E-Dagwi World. I want to sing a song in English and then repeat its version in Berom language. Enjoy it. Anywhere he went, he was doing good. Almighty healer, he healed the leper. When the crippled saw him, they started walking. Anywhere he went, the Lord was doing good. Kagwade awo aragas pieriat mat tesebi mat tiang ate parong tiang mat na bola die ko aho keke kagwade awo dare ara pieriat. Anywhere he went, the Lord was doing good. Kagwade awo dare ara pieriat. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, E-Dagwi World. Also, follow and like my Facebook page, E-Dagwi World. You will be coming across more of my wonderful videos. Thank you once again, and God bless.